Alrighty, part number 4. The deadlift. So a fundamental exercise to whole body strength is the deadlift. Today we're going to learn how to do the deadlift. Once again, my lovely friend here, Josh, has volunteered to show us how to do a proper deadlift. You're probably doing this wrong. Alright, there's 2 major movements involved in the deadlift. The first one, as Josh goes to reach down to pick this kettlebell up, is to squeeze your shoulder blades back and down. So see how he's packing his lats, getting them nice and tight here. And then, when he has that kettlebell in line with his feet, he's going to extend his hips and flex his butt. That's the deadlift. See how his spine is nice and straight here, and those shoulders are still packed down. Nice and flat with a good neutral spine. And if Josh puts it back down, he bends from the hips. Does the same thing, straightens his back, bam. Again, enhancing his shoulder blades at the bottom, bam. As he reps them out, hip extension, shoulder depression. They're the 2 movements. Pull your shoulders back and down, extend your butt by squeezing your butt cheeks. Great exercise. A lot of you are probably not doing it correctly. This is how you swing.